Hey guys, ReesMonkey34 here, coming to you a video about my little small utility trailer. This is a good little trailer. I've been having fun with this for years. But today we're doing something because I've been having some issues with it. Is this axle? This axle's fine. It's the hubs. This hub and that hub. Both of them are pretty worn out. And this hub, this one exploded on me last year, and it mostly it grinded down the axle, so it's pretty far gone. And both tires are bald as like nothing there, just blow it off. So yeah, but I think we're gonna upgrade. I have these hubs, they're 5-bolt, so I can put a little bit more bigger, like a car tire on it. More easier to find than those ones. And they got nice bearings, like sealed bearings. So the only thing is, they to get this onto there, I have to cut the original one off, which is not a big deal because this axle on this side is really bad. Like halfway carved out. I'll show you guys in a bit when I take this apart. And that side is fine. The axle is fine, but the hub, like the bearings, are gone on that side. But this is the side with the carved out axle. But the trick, I want to see if we can make some steel plates up to weld on the tip of that axle on the square part, and bolt these onto the plates I weld on, and like reinforce it with some triangle pieces and that stuff. But yeah, then I can handle a bigger tire, and the trailer will actually be lower because I'm gonna flip it downwards where I bolted on. So the axle actually will go down, so it'll be a little bit lower, easier for loading stuff up. So let's go find some steel plates that fit the back of these, like a 4-bolt hub setup. So let's go find something. Okay guys, just got done making some brackets. Heavy duty, 1/2 inch thick steel brackets. I cut a big notch out of them so they'll fit one of these, just like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna drill some holes to bolt them on. Plus, these are steel. They were welded on something before, or not, yeah, welded on something before, so I cut them off. But they can be welded to, so I think I'm gonna bolt some bolt. I only get 2 bolts on there, plus do a couple welds on it. Okay guys, got it apart. As you can see, they have that nice nick on there that make the bearing not sit there. That could be fixed, but I don't know if you can see on here. There's I just did my calibrator. It's 3-degree bend, so it's been bent. I could probably fix it too, but yeah. And then I'm gonna need new tires and new bearings. Yeah, I don't know. New hubs, I mean. I think I'm still gonna stick with my plan. Chop them off, weld on the brackets, and put these bigger ones on. Okay guys, just got the plates on. I drilled a hole and I popped the axle, well, a little bit of axle through, and then welded it solid. So that's what we're looking like. Welded on both sides, nice and fully. Same on that side, all welded on. Now I'm going to make some brackets, like little angle supports, little triangles. That will go in here. One on both sides and then one in the center. And then the hubs I'm going to weld on, because they are weld on and bolt on, so I'm going to do a little bit of both. So yeah, then it'll be good and solid. Okay guys, got them fully welded on. Plus I'm going to, through the holes here, I'm going to drill 2 holes and put a couple bolts in, because I want to make sure it's good and solid. But yeah, that's working pretty good. Oh, I did the other side already too. It should be good and strong. I'm gonna get some, make 2 triangle pieces for this side and triangle pieces for that side, and did put in here to make it a little more stronger. Okay guys, got some pieces made. These are 1/4 inch steel plates in like a triangle form, and they're gonna go like this, just like that. This one is smaller than that one, so one side got bigger, bigger support than the other side, but that's all we need. Okay guys, got it all welded up. Just gotta knock the beads off. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Got the small one on this side and got the big one on the back side, because more pressure will be trying to push it back than trying to pry it forward when you're going down the road. Or like if you hit a tree or a stump on this side, you want to like twist to the back. So yeah, I gotta get a stud for this side. Gotta get a stud and put that in, and then find some nuts to put on those. Okay guys, got the hubs bolted on, as you can see. So I got 2 on each side. I found all the nuts to fit on here, and that one was missing right here. I put a stud in it with a nut. And then I took the fenders and I moved them down the far I can get. This one is kind of worn through there, but what can you do? So now I'm gonna go get the tires I want to throw on it for now. They're not the tires I want to put on it, but it'll make it roll. Okay guys, got the tires on. They are rolling. I don't have the right size of tires. These are car tires. I got them inside out right now. Because if they're, you can see the valves them. If I put them the other way, they won't work at all. So I need to get some good treader rims. And maybe a smaller tire. These are 205s, so like a 195 or 185 tires on treader rims would work good. But yeah, now the rolling chassis again. I could use it. It is safe. But I think I'm gonna wait until we get some treader tires and rims. Yeah, I'll see if I only got some paint and we slap some paint on these so it not gonna rust. Not like the entire thing already rusty already. Well guys, I had a can of black paint laying around and I just slapped some on here. So yeah, it looked pretty nice in there. Yeah, don't look too close to anywhere else, but yeah. Okay, good. Got a log there, cable going up over to the truck. And they're gonna winch it over. Take this log out. Keep doing it. Where's my girl leg? Good? Keep going. Mike, get away from there. Mike, you're not going to hold it. Get away. Yeah, I know. I just want to... Just let it go easy. Yeah, there we go. It can go up 3 inches, so it might still hit a little bit, but with a smaller tire size on there, it'll be fine. Yeah, it will be fine. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And that was how to switch out hubs to a different style. So hope it gives you some ideas if you want to do something like this, but probably not. Probably the best is to go get a whole axle, a new axle, but this is something to do on the cheap. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!